Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. I having teach you three methods can resolve the problem guys. Go to taskbar and right click on it and go to task manager. In here you need to check if background process running Google Chrome. You just need to right click and end task. If they're running, I'm not running in background, just you need to right click on Google Chrome and end task, click on it, and after that that can hopefully open again. If that can't open, try this guys. The second method, right click on Google Chrome and you need to select open file location, and in Chrome file location you need to change that name guys. Right click on it and you need to change rename, and you need to change this Chrome, add anything over here before that. I'm adding one. Just click on it and now open it guys. That can hopefully resolve the problem. You can also make it shortcut for this in desktop. Hopefully that can resolve the problem guys. After that, if you not get resolved, I recommend to try use different browser and reinstall Google Chrome guys. Go to Microsoft Edge and type here google.com google.com/chrome, google.com/chrome, enter. Hopefully you can download it guys. There is no place like Chrome. That's so funny. Download like this, click on it, and that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.